Plants dominate our planet in many ways. Right from providing us with life-sustaining oxygen to being the beginners in the food chain, plants play a vital role in our lives. But studying plants is not all that easy. There are several types of plants present around us. Right from the single-celled algae to the huge trees, plants come in a variety of types. So how exactly are they classified? They are classified based on their morphology in two major classes. These are cryptogams and phanerogams. Cryptogams are the lower plants that do not have flowers or seeds. Phanerogams, on the other hand, are all the plants that have beautiful flowers or flower-like structures. Let's get into the details of each type and learn their subtypes. To begin with, we have cryptogams, also known as cryptogamy. The name cryptogamy comes from the two terms kryptos, that means hidden, and gamos, meaning marriage in Greek. In simple words, it means the ones which do not have seeds or reproductive structures like flowers. So all the non-flowering plants are included in this category. To simplify further, we classify these cryptogams into three major categories. They are called Talophytes, Bryophytes, and Teridophytes. Talophyta or Talophytes are the lowest of all plants. These do not have a well-differentiated body, no roots, no stem or leaves. So what exactly is their structure? The name Talophyta indicates the presence of a thallus, which is an undifferentiated mass of cells. Since the body is undifferentiated, it's obvious that it will not have a vascular or simply a conducting system. These types of plants are usually the ones like algae, Spirogyra, Eulothrix, and other unicellular plants that occupy the marine bodies. These can either be microscopic like the Chlamydomonas, or they can be huge structures like the kelps. Talophytes are followed by the next category, that is Bryophytes. These are known as the amphibians of the plant world. Now this title is sufficient to explain that these plants are present in water as well as on land. In fact, they spend a definite part of their life cycle in water while the other part on land. This category is further divided into two major classes as liverworts and mosses. Liverworts like these have a thallus-like body which appears to be flat and ribbon-shaped. The leaf-like structures are actually the complete plant body. So there is no specific root, stem or leaf structure. The whole plant is composed of these flat ribbon-like structures. Examples of this type include Riccia and Marchantia. Mosses, on the other hand, are slightly different. These appear to have a leaf-like structure that are too tiny to be viewed with naked eye. Reproduction in such plants occurs with the help of spores. The plant body does not have a well-defined vascular system. So, the ones with a developed vascular system are the next on our list. This group is referred to as Teridophytes. I'm sure you've come across plants which have beautiful leaves. These curls and the structure of these leaves make the plant have several applications, including decoration. Yes, these are ferns. Commonly used as ornamental plants, ferns belong to the category of Teridophytes. These are considered as an important link in the study of evolution. And why is that? Well, these are the first terrestrial plants to possess vascular tissues. That means they possess xylem and phloem for water and food conduction. However, the tissues are not highly developed. Teridophytes also reproduce using spores. They are dependent on several factors like wind and water for dispersal of their spores in order to reproduce. There is a lot more to learn about all these cryptogams. But for now, we will shift our focus, and in the next video, we learn in general about phanerogamy, the next family in the kingdom Plantae.